Zombie apocalypse.
Have you ever thought about how you can watch free Netflix movies?
No, I have never thought about that in my entire life.
That's what I thought.
Wait. How is that even possible?
Yes. It's possible. Don't worry. In just a matter of seconds you will be watching Netflix for free. You can thank me by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell. By using this application you can watch Netflix movies for free. Link in the description. At the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and push the notification bell. The application link is in the description. Enjoy Netflix Mod app without any subscription for free. Features of this app contains: watch premium content for free. No need to buy any subscription. Unlimited screens at one time. Download movies offline 4K HD quality available, etc. Click the download button. Click the second link. After 6 seconds it will redirect you to this page. Click download. The download is started. Application works only for Android device. Install the app on your Android device and come back to comment if it worked. For the bonus I will show you another application where you can watch any movie you want for free. The application link is in the description. Click the link in the description and go to the website. You don't need to log in. Click the download button. Choose on what type of device you want to download. For me, I will go with the Windows version. As soon as you click, it will start downloading. And then install the setup. As you have seen in this video, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.